Hey, what's up guys? So I've been struggling to turn this beautiful generator on that I got it from Costco. I couldn't call the customer service and I watched a bunch of YouTube videos. It wasn't helpful. So I finally found a trick. You hear the cranking goes on and the whole engine is shaking, but it won't turn on. So first of all, especially if you're using gas, make sure this little thing, it's the yellow thing, it's on start before you do anything. Is turn on gas, both sides. So this one is on 0 right now because I already turned it on. So you see this red light before you do anything. There are two tricks. First, you see how it's sitting there. So one thing that I did was I elevated a little bit. I kind of like made it even. The second thing that I did, so the wrong way that you turn on this generator is keep pushing all the way when you want to turn it on, which is weird. You hear the cranking, but it won't turn on. Look. So instead of doing this, you have to go kind of gentle, and instead of doing all the way, you do it like halfway.